Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson, we have our female teacher that's going to teach us the rudiment of music and the principles of piano, the white keys and the black keys on the piano. So guys, enjoy the rest of the class.
Musical sounds are explained by characters called notes, which are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The notes are written upon what is termed the stave. The stave consists of 5 lines and 4 spaces, which run parallel across the book. The lines and spaces are counted upwards from the lowest to the highest. The names of the notes are determined by the clef, which is placed at the commencement of the stave. There are various clefs, but only 2 are necessary for the pianoforte. The treble or G clef, which is placed on the second line of the stave, and the bass or F clef, which is placed on the first line of the stave. The staves are required as a rule for the pianoforte music. They are joined together by a brace. A flat is a sign placed beside a note to lower the note in pitch by semitone. Flat is just the opposite of a sharp. It's usually at the back of the white note on the piano and is also measured by semitone. Example, the black note to the left side or at the back of note D, which is the white note on the piano, is D flat. The black key to the left or at the back of E is E flat. That is, each black keys has 2 letter name, sharp or flat, front or back of a note.
Please consider to subscribe and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you and see you in the next class.